endless line of sight. A vision of prosperity and economic might. An emblem of advancement that glistens at night. This is Hutchison Ports, Pakistan, country's first deep water container terminal, situated in the heart of the City of Light. A city full of people in a quest to get ahead, go places, dive deep, needed a port that's hustling and bustling, change and exchange, contributing to the nation's economic growth. That's when Hutchison Ports, Pakistan emerged, being the only deep water container terminal in the country. It was designed specially to accommodate superposed Panamax ships. With decades of experience and expertise, Hutchison Ports is the world's leading port investor, developer and operator. Being a pioneer in containerization and innovator of industry best practices, Hutchison Ports currently manages one of the most information-intensive companies in the world. To serve Pakistan in both short and long term, Hutchison Ports Pakistan equipped the terminal with the latest container handling equipment, ample draft and container yard. As one of the most influential hub port networks in the world, we take pride in our capability to harbour the biggest container ships in the world. From reduced ship turnaround times to streamlined cargo flow, our performance is unparalleled. Hutchison Ports Pakistan is not just a terminal operator. It also supports customers with a growing range of port-centric logistics services, effectively extending the reach of the port to our customers. Our very own on-dock rail facility extends our reach to Pakistan's northern region, making Hutchison Ports Pakistan the premium gateway for the country's trade, with multiple freight trains reaching all over Pakistan 24/7. To minimize work stress and ensure the highest levels of safety for our workforce, we have been the first in region to deploy a range of the latest technologies, including state-of-the-art remote-operated semi-automatic cranes. Our strong commitment to sustainability reflects in our acquisition of environmentally friendly electrical rubber-tired gantry cranes that use high-tech remote operation for stacking containers.
मैनुअल क्रेन ऑपरेट करने के लिए आपको तकरीबन 80 फीट सीढ़ियाँ चढ़कर ऊपर ऑपरेटर केबिन में जाना पड़ता है और इन्हें ऑपरेट करने के लिए ऑपरेटर को मुस्तकिल नीचे झुककर काम करना पड़ता है, जो कि एक मुश्किल अमल है। इसकी वजह से आपको थकावट भी होती है और आपकी सेहत भी मुतासिर होती है। रिमोट कंट्रोल गैंट्री क्रेन से यही काम हम एक आरामदेह सीट के ऊपर बैठकर स्क्रीन की मदद से ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं। रिमोट कंट्रोल गैंट्री क्रेन 55 से 65% अपना काम खुद करती है। एक ऑपरेटर एक वक्त में एक ही रॉस टेबल के ऊपर बैठकर 2 से 3 क्रेन रिमोट के ज़रिए ऑपरेट कर सकता है। प्लास्टिक के ज़रिए सिर्फ हम ही इन्हें गाइड नहीं करते हैं, बल्कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस भी हमें गाइड करती है ताकि कंटेनर हैंडलिंग और ऑटो स्टैकिंग का प्रोसेस हिफाजत के ज़रिए जारी रह सके। सच पूछो तो मैनुअल क्रेन से ज़्यादा इन क्रेन को चलाना मज़ेदार है। ऐसा लगता है जैसे वीडियो गेम खेल रहा हूँ।
To manage the complex flow of containers in and out of the terminal, we use our group's award-winning proprietary terminal operating system, NGEN. With tight-knit security, our terminal is fully ISPS compliant, having full range of security measures in place. High-quality weigh bridges with dual-view scanners facilitate a smooth transition for trucks at the port. Be it the food we love or the medicines that heal us, every perishable product that reaches Pakistan is cared for with reefer plugs to guarantee it a safe journey. The leading technology from our headquarters in Hong Kong allows the terminal to remotely monitor and operate a range of metrics including temperature, humidity and CO2 levels.
हमने एक ऐसा निज़ाम तश्कील दिया है जिसमें हमारे लिए हर कंटेनर अहम है। हमारे कंट्रोल टावर कोऑर्डिनेशन, CCTV, ट्रंक रेडियो सिस्टम और मोबाइल टर्मिनल मैसेजिंग सिस्टम और ID कार्ड से खुलने और बंद होने वाले ऑटोमेटिक गेट्स यार्ड कंटेनर में मौजूद हमारे कस्टमर की सामान की हिफाजत को यकीनी बनाते हैं।
What good is an organization that just invests in machines and not in its people? Since the group entered this important market, we have managed to generate countless employment opportunities for the local talent. We take great pride in being a pioneer in recruiting female employees and supporting equal opportunity. As testament to these efforts, we currently have women working at all levels in our organization, including fields that were considered unconventional for women. We are the first and only port in the world to introduce a regional operations center that remotely provides vessel stowage planning services 24/7 to the group's sister terminals around the globe. This new age of port operations is not only exporting goods to the world, but is also exporting professional services made in Pakistan by a team of young and ambitious Pakistanis. We at Hutchison Ports Pakistan are ready to deliver not only cargo, but also what is expected of us. We are committed to pave the way for a prosperous Pakistan by meeting United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Hutchison Ports Pakistan is a crown jewel in our global portfolio, and we are fully committed that the terminal remains at the forefront in the industry for years to come.